Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 2 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this OnePlus. Start by accessing Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type DevCheck. Now download this free app from this developer and tap on Open. As you can see, from here you can find out all the info about your dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!